Sure. Anyways, what was I gonna say? Why am I vlogging? Today is Friday. Monday, I have the Neuro ward work. I just had a premiere for one of my vlogs after a long time. I don't remember when my last premiere was. But I remember that my last premiere, I forgot about it. So I had the premiere, but I wasn't in the premiere. So this one, I made sure to alarm so I could be in the premiere with you guys. Yep, that is the update. Also, this is good. This is the Spanish latte of boiled egg. But my favorite Spanish latte is the one from, what's it called? But First Coffee? Is it? Yeah, I think it's But First Coffee. The Spanish latte is 180 pesos. Worth it. Better than like my Starbucks drink. I really like it. Sorry, I keep moving. But I got the American ham and cheese, and then I added Spam. Also good, but I lang, it's expensive, so eh. Yep, that's the update. I'm just studying right now for the word work on Monday. That's all I'm gonna do tonight, and then tomorrow, study again. Sunday, study again. Study and practice, I mean. Yep. Okay guys, so I just finished my ward work, my neuro ward work, and the, what do you call this, the output's super long for the physical examination because there's a lot of physical examination for neuro, and then it's hard to type everything, right? Or just because they give us an output. Here's our PD manual, and then they give an example for the output, but it has to type everything in my laptop because there's pictures and then there's a format. So what I do is I use PDF Element because it has features that can help me have an easier time in putting this in my outputs. So I'll show you guys how to do it. So here I have the output example, and then here. This is what I'm talking about. Like this, oh. Like, how am I gonna put that in my Word document or something? Save it as a PDF, ganon, and then I'll put it in PDF Element. And then it has tools such as the OCR tool. So the OCR tool, it will enable me to edit everything in the picture or PDF. Like, it will be editable. It's like magic. I'll show you guys here on the screen. But yeah guys, PDF Element is so helpful for all my outputs. I have so much output for second year medical school, and PDF Element was so helpful because sometimes they give files that aren't Word files, so I really can't edit them. It's time consuming to type everything, so PDF Element is a big savior. Okay guys, good morning. Today's Saturday. I'm gonna study in coffee project. My friend Alex. Yep. This is so funny. I brought my camera to Dasma to vlog, but I only use my camera here in the condo. Because I'm shy but to vlog outside. Anyways, I'm gonna pick her up and then drive to coffee project. I'm gonna get a massage, guys. Okay, guys, time to get my coffee. Guys, it's 1 already. What the frick? Okay, we have to start studying. Let's go. I have my iPad, laptop, chargers, and everything.
There is a life I lead in this city, hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take what I need to get by. It doesn't make it easy. The other piece of my heart moves slow, somewhere in the great unknown. When I return from the afterglow, will you carry me like I am home? Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I've been.
Hey guys, hello. I'm back in my condo and so much things happened. I'm not using my camera because I left it in a coffee shop. But first, coffee. So I went there because I was gonna get coffee and maybe study there. And then it started raining so hard. And then my friend that lives in the same building started sending me videos, pictures. It was super flooded. And then my car, oh my gosh, my car was... So I was stranded, right? So I was stranded right in the coffee shop and I didn't know what to do. It was raining so hard. After about 30 minutes, I had to take a trike. I had to leave all my stuff, my laptop, my camera, my iPad, my headphones, everything. My bag is still there. So I had to take a drag and it was still raining, and then I had to walk in the flood to go to my car. I had to move my car. Luckily, my car is not broken and water didn't go inside. So yeah, at least that's good news. But my things are still in the freaking coffee shop and it's still raining right now if you can hear it. But I'm so tired and hungry, so I ordered sushi bake and sushi, some maki, and then eat, and then I'll get my stuff. Or maybe just, I don't know what I'll study now, but I'm so tired. It's already almost 5, I think. And I have to study for my exam tomorrow. Okay, that's the update. Bye. It's so good. I got crunchy kani maki and salmon sushi bake. The tempura sushi bake, I think that's what it's called. It's better, but it wasn't available. So let's just enjoy this salmon sushi bake. It's good also naman. Gosh. Okay guys, I'm about to leave the house. It's Sunday today. It's already 9:20. I'm gonna go to Dasma and study kaagad because it's already 9:20, guys. I have my thing tomorrow, my ward work for musculoskeletal system. So I really have to study for that and practice. And then on Tuesday, I have finals for pedia. Yeah, so I really have to go. Okay, derby.
I just met you, but you love. Oh girl, you blow my mind. I know what I would like to do.
I bought a coaster and my stand thingy. It's mine for real. It's really mine. Because I brought it from my house for my condo.
Of course, you ain't the one to blame. Keep on talking to me. You keep on telling me your dreams. You keep on talking to me. But I just wanna see you move. Yeah, I just wanna see you move. I just wanna see you move.
Okay guys, I'm buying a volleyball so I can play volleyball. Okay, hello guys. I'm Paos. I don't know why. It's probably because I was practicing last night for my ward work. Like, I was talking out loud, saying the narration and then what I'm gonna say to the patient. Ganon. That's why. That's probably why I'm boss. Anyways, I got a. Sorry, it's so nice. Anyways, I got a package from Shopee. I mean, my Shopee package arrived. It's a door soundproof thing, or why I bought it is so that ants, cockroaches can't pass through the main door. Anyways, I just had my ward work like an hour ago. I ended an hour ago, and then right after my ward work, I went straight to the library. Well, I got my coffee first, and I went straight to the library to do my written output. And I'm kind of done now. I just need to edit it a bit more, double check, and fix the words. But I'm basically done now. And then tomorrow, I have the PDF final. So right now, I'm gonna put this under the door. And then I'm gonna watch Kardashians because every Friday there's a new episode. So that was last Friday, but I didn't have time to watch it. So I'm gonna watch it and then I'm gonna study. I also wanna watch Doctor Strange, so maybe today or tomorrow. Probably tomorrow na. See, this is what it looks like. I have to cut it because the door isn't this long. But there, you put it under the door like, whoop. Okay, I have to cut it. Cocoa, my coffee, and wait, let me open this. This is prawns from Condi's. Oh my gosh, it looks so good, guys. Yay. My favorite. Okay, now I'm gonna walk to the condo. I finished my output. I finished my output na. I don't know why I'm so paos, guys. This is my voice. My voice wasn't like this yesterday. I don't know, guys. Hello. Crowded.
Waited out in the cold, and there you were. I wasn't sure. Now I see it clearly in my mind.
Guys! So fast! I ordered this. Wait. I ordered this like 5 days ago from Zalora, and it's here already! It's vegan leather or something. It was 30% off! Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Wait. Also, I don't think I ever showed this, but these are my boots. I'm not sure if I showed it to you guys, but I already used this because it was flooded like 4 days ago. Oh, it's so pretty! So here it is. It's like not your typical, it's not leather. I mean, it's not your typical leather thing, and then it's like off-white. Okay, it's the right size! Happiness. Okay, that's it. That's my update. Hello guys, I'm back from the house, from Alabang, and I have so much things to show you. Oh my gosh, it got even dirtier. This is so stressful. There, oh my gosh. There, it's so dirty na. It's so pretty though. Shopping haul and house haul. Alcohol supply from mom. Nice. Alcohol done. We have bread. Gardenia bread. The lighting here is so bad. Wait. There we go. Now we have gardenia bread. Grapes. The long grapes that's weirdly shaped. I don't know why they're shaped like that, but those are grapes. There we go. Multi-purpose cleaner. Ta-da! Quaker Oats for breakfast. Mask lanyard. This bag from Joyce. Thank you, Joyce. And it says Chini, guys. This is embroidered. So pretty. And then I went shopping. Okay, so first is this long dress. I'm into dresses now. So this is perfect for lazy Sundays or when I go home. It's very long. A halter top. Can you imagine? Wait. This is the paper bag. Let's see it. I bought a bag for school. Ta-da! It's a messenger bag. Crossbody bag. You put it like that. And there's a zipper. And then I bought another thing. A wallet! When I wear uniform, I use a shoulder bag and then it makes my uniform go pa like that. So I wanted to buy a shoulder bag so it's like sakto. And it doesn't make my uniform go places. This is so pretty. What I bring is my iPad and my pen and wallet. It fits! It's perfect actually. Then I can still close it. I can put my phone. Let's see if my phone fits. It fits perfectly! This bag was made for me, guys. There. You see? There's two on my phone. Fits perfectly. And then here, there's like a zipper. Oh, and then the key pala. You can make it pa engraved for free. KCD. The other side says Chini D. Here we are. Here's the wallet. It's perfect for me because I don't have a lot of cards. And then you can put the money here. And then coins. I really need coins. So I put coins here. And then it has a thing here. So I'll put my keys here. Because I don't like it here with my car keys. Because I like putting my car keys, you know, sa belt. But when I put this on my belt, it's gonna like... So I'll transfer it. Yep.
Okay, we just ate in Pancake House. I keep forgetting to vlog, guys. And I'm using my new bag.
I'm shout out to my friend.
I'll see you now. We just had our, what do you call it, what we had? Integration activity. Yeah. And then we have an exam in 30 minutes. So we just ate, and then now we're on the way to the exam. Guys, I suck at vlogging. I'm sorry.